Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with Essentials. Make sure you have the Nvidia driver installed and that Windows recognizes your GPU. Once done, right-click the desktop and choose Nvidia Control Panel to open it. This launches the app that controls display settings. If it does not appear, make sure you installed the latest driver from Nvidia or Device Manager shows the GPU. Run the control panel as administrator to avoid permission issues. This ensures all options load, so you can proceed to adjust resolution, color, and multi-display layouts. You now navigate. On the left pane, expand display to reveal change resolution, adjust desktop color settings, and set up multiple displays. Select change resolution to choose monitor, set resolution, and pick the optimal refresh rate. This controls smoothness and input lag. After adjusting resolution, go to adjust desktop color settings to tweak brightness, contrast, gamma, and digital vibrance for accurate color. Make incremental changes and observe results. If you use multiple screens, open Set up multiple displays to arrange and enable cloning or extended modes. You finish by applying and testing. Click Apply after each change and watch the screen for 15 to 30 seconds to confirm stability. If the image flickers, reverts, or shows artifacts, immediately revert to the previous setting. This prevents persistent issues. If options are missing or settings, reset, update, or reinstall the Nvidia driver and restart the control panel. Troubleshooting tip: boot safe mode to roll back drivers or run display driver uninstaller. This often restores missing features and resolves driver conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.